Alright, from here on let's save our result, and let's save it again under number 03. So I have more than enough undo steps, even with the 120 steps I specified in the preferences screen. Good. This looks a bit dull, so does this. So let's change that. Okay. We're going to divide this and this up to 8. Okay. We need some nav lights here too, not too small. It's a small ship. So let's just keep those two and delete the rest. There you go. Alright. We can cut this up into 2 pieces as well. And then connect these 2 together, these 2 together, and these 2 together. There we go. Okay. This is too broad, but what we can do is we'll inset it like so. Then we extrude Z. Now we use a different command, not spawn. Extrude Z. And we use the bevel command now. Don't bevel it completely, but alright. So since this is a small ship, our nav lights will come here. Okay, so I divide these by divide these by 4. Okay. Keep those 2. Put my nav lights in. Alright, go. And this, I'm going to extrude in that direction. Okay. Now scale uniform again. Here it goes. That's a little spot for the nav lights. You can see it from the back. Okay. Good. Now, on here, what we can do is actually add a grill here. We've been doing with the other ships. Let's inset like so. Connect, divide it maybe into 4. Select all of them together. Now, I'm going to use inset, move, Y, and scale uniform. Let's save it. Continue. Okay. So, maybe those maybe look a little meaner than that. It's a fighter anyway, so let's inset this. Okay. Now, extrude, normal. Not so high. And then scale uniform. Okay, bottom side. What do we need on the bottom? Well, you guessed it. We're going to need a gun. As you saw, I just merged them together. Maybe I'm working too fast right now, but I'm just selecting it all and then choosing the backspace key. From this point on, I'm going to have a look if there are any vertices that should not be there. Not at the moment. We will clean up the model afterwards and merge together, like these two, for example. They can be merged. Merge these two together. Here, reset, and move C. Scale uniform. Okay. Now what we can do here as well is select those, like so. Extrude them. Normal. And scale uniform. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Bottom side now. Okay, we're going to create a port for a gun. Make sure that we have space for a gun. And we do that here. Let's see. We divide this by 8. Keep those two. Delete. Get this one here divided by 8. Sorry, by 9. Uneven number to make sure that it's nicely in the middle. Otherwise, this will not be nice in the middle. If we take 8, for example, you will see we have one spot left in the middle, which is not nice. So we need 9. Select these two, delete, and connect. There we go. Now, by simply dividing this by 5, connecting all these together, we have the opportunity to create an extrusion in the Y direction, like so. A little bit further. Move in the Y direction now. Okay. Maybe still a little bit further. So move in the Y direction some more. Yeah, that should do it. Okay. I'm going to get rid of these two. Voila. And now, if we can divide this by 3, this is the only thing you cannot connect with the C key directly because it will show up something like that. So we have to deselect them with the space bar, combine them all, connect them all together separately. Here we go. We have a nice basis to start our little gun here. This concludes this tutorial.